What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now and how we get there. Then I will continue with the amazing fundamental news. I will show you that US senators are buying BABA stock and I will show you what does it mean for this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we were forming the fifth wave structure, and my forecast was that we should hit some higher targets and probably it should be the range of resistance of about $138, and as you can see we hit it to the tick. And my forecast was 100% accurate. And then I've told you that we should have a retracement, and this retracement is also happened. And as you can see, for now we found the support of around $130 price point. It is the top of our previous swing high, and it is a confluence level with some bottoms that we had previously about a year ago. So this asset is extremely technical, and I have to say that my forecast is quite accurate. I missed with only this movement to the upside. So I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. As usual, fundamentals are very good. And I don't want to dive deep, I just want to pay your attention on the PE ratio. It is still extremely low of 18.73, and the total market cap of this company is $356.67 billion. So I still think that this company is extremely undervalued. And let me show you first news that was published on January 17th, and it's titled "Alibaba has become cheaper amid delisting fears." And the summary is following. Delisting pressures come from both the Chinese government and the US government. We analyze the possibility of a delisting forced by US government through the SEC. We don't believe the SEC will delist Alibaba shares because its auditing seems to be conforming with desired standards. The Hong Kong listing provides a backup exchange under a worst-case scenario. Institutional investors do not seem worried about delisting. All key valuations metrics have become cheaper and provide downside protection for the investment. Price to earning, EV to EBITDA, and EV to free cash flow have compressed to near all-time lows. So, I will put the link on this article in the description below, you can read it by yourself, but all in all, this article is very bullish on Alibaba stock, and we have to keep this in mind. And let me show you this article. It was published on January the 12th and it's titled "China critic Senator Tommy Tuberville once again bought Alibaba stock and options." And let me quote you key points. Senator Tommy Tuberville of Alabama, who has been a staunch critic of China and companies there, yet again bought stock and options in Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba last month, a new disclosure report reveals. Tuberville made 3 separate purchases of Alibaba shares valued as much as $300,000 in total. The buys were made less than 5 months after the Republican spokeswoman said that in mid-2020 he had ordered his financial advisors to sell off a small stake in Alibaba stock after becoming aware it was in his portfolio. Tuberville has revealed in July as having violated a federal financial transparency law, the Stock Act, by failing to file disclosures of about 130 stock and stock options trades from January 2021 through May 2021 within a 45-day deadline. So, what does it mean in general? This means if the legislators are buying this stock, this means we won't see anytime soon the delisting of this company. That's why we can rely on this company as a part of the investment portfolio, at least medium-term investment portfolio for 2.5 years. And I've told you in my previous video that in worst-case scenario, the closest date of potential delisting might be not closer than 2.5 years ahead of us, and this means we are on safer territory. On top of that, let me show you that not only Thomas Tuberville bought the shares of Alibaba stock. We are on capitaltrades.com, and let me show you that Thomas Tuberville, not the only senator who bought the shares of Alibaba. As you can see, I set the filter to Alibaba Group Holding, and I set this filter to show us only the purchases. And right here we have David Blake Moore, representative, on November 19th bought stock options. Next, Joshua Gottheimer bought stocks on October 18th. Again, Thomas Tuberville. Next, again, David Blake Moore. And as you can see, a lot of buys from the Capitol Hill. And this means these senators won't put at the risk their own money. This means we are on a safer territory. So let me show you that we still have very good forecast from TipRanks. We have 24 ratings, 21 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold and 0 to sell. And the lowest price target according to this source is $140. Average price target is $194.71 and the highest price target is $250. This means we have a huge upside potential even to the average price of about 50%. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we finished all 5 waves on this scale from this bottom to this one. This means we can project the levels of potential retracement, and for this case we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of entire wave to the top of entire wave, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And as you can see, we hit only 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a price point of $131.88. And right here we had first bounce, but then we broke it to the downside and found the support line at $130. So I have to say that we have not more than 10% probability of having a trend reversal from the range of 0.236, and it is the extremely bullish case. In my opinion, it is not our case, and that's why we have to see some lower price targets in upcoming sessions. So what should we expect? As usual, if we will break this support of $130, we might land at the range of about $127.72. It is a 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Next, $124.36. It is a 0.5 range retracement. And the golden pocket. It is the range in between $120 to $121. And statistically, this range is the most probable range of trend reversal. But the chances that we might hit this range from this level is not so significant. That's why we have to accumulate our position all the way down along these ranges. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. We are still very bullish. We have higher lows and higher highs, and we have to have a retracement in order to have next leg to the upside, and potentially this level of about $108 was the lowest point for this asset. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!